Hello, everybody. This is Chandni Mahajan, your relationship coach, a numerologist, a tarot card reader, and so on and so on. Today, I'm here to give you a pickup card reading over a question which is being asked by one of my very dear friends, Gaurav. He wants to know how will the things be after his marriage, whether he'll be able to cope up with the girl he wants to get married, or whether that girl will be able to cope up with him when they get married. So these are some kind of equations which actually pop up in our mind when we get married, and there are n number of things which actually we want to know before our marriage. There are so much of so much of doubts, there is so much of speculations, there is so much of apprehensions going in our minds. So just to clear that, I just chose to have this session today. I've chose 3 decks of cards, on which first I am having Green Aventurian with the first deck. Second is one with the red Jasper. Second is with Merkaba. So we have to choose only one deck. You have to focus on that deck for 15 seconds, and we'll start with the further readings. So let's start with the time. Okay. So people, those who have chosen the first deck, that is Green Aventurian with Abundance, these are the healing crystals. So first I'll definitely say that the people, those who have chosen this green thing, green always um, um, compares to or resonates to harmony, to money, to pleasure, to presence of n number of things in their life, serenity. So there are so many things which Green Aventurine, and Green Aventurine is also a stone of abundance. So somewhere somehow these people are looking for more money, these people are looking for much more new thing, abundances in their life. So let's see what is card storing for them. We have cards from Tarot Oracle, and we do have cards from our another deck. So first card which is coming is Happy Change. So people, those who have chosen this Green Aventurian, should be very satisfied, should be very stress free, because the first card which is jumping out of the deck is a Happy Changes. Your angels have heard your prayers and have banded together to create a real and a joyful changes in your life. Events begin to move forward, and great progress will be now possible. You may need to make some rapid decision due to suddenness of the activity. And the second card in the same is Seven of Action. You are being called upon to claim your personal power. Feel confident, as your angels will give you the strength to say no when it is the right thing to do for yourself. Your struggle may actually stem from your unresolved inner conflict rather than the conflict with others. So in these both two cards, it is like the cards are saying that yes, there are going to be a very good happy changes, but somewhere somehow you have to compromise. You have to struggle. There will be some hindrances, there will be some unresolved answers to your question, but nothing to worry about, because at the end there it will be a good happy changes. When we look onto a third card, it is Queen of Raphael, which says kind, understanding, giving, psychic. Follow your heart, a love of a home and a family, trustworthy psychic information. So what Queen of Raphael is saying us is that she has already done psyche for your this reading or this deck, where she is saying that a love of home and a family is waiting for you. So I don't think there should be any more doubt now left with you. Page of Michael, which is saying an exciting new challenge you have, what it takes to succeed. Review contracts or documents very thoroughly. So both the cards are actually saying you whatever you are going to do, whatever you are, whomever you are going to marry, you will be married very successfully, you will be adjusted in the family, in fact accommodated in the family very successfully, and you will be very happy. If we see towards the angelic answer, it is a happy move to a new home or a place of employment is in the works. This movement will usher in the positive new energy. What else I can say more, that if an angelic answer is saying that a happy move to a new home or a place of employment is in the works, this movement will usher you in a positive energy. So what else? So this is a very positive answer with the people, those who have chosen the green Aventurian card. So somewhere somehow, yes, this card is saying to all of us that big happy changes and very good successful changes you will be able to accommodate as well as adjust in a new house. When we see towards the second card, the people those who have chosen this red jasper is a stone of a root chakra. The people those who have chosen this card either are very stable or are taking very firm decisions in their life, they are very decisive, or either they are looking for something which is actually going to be firm and very stable in their life. So let's have a look what this deck or what this pile has chosen for these people. So there are solutions from Archangel Redkill, success that comes from objective, compromise, self-control, patience, forgiving and healing energies. So here in the second pile, the first card which has jumped is solutions. Second card which is coming is King of Gabriel, which is saying generous inspiration, dramatic driven. Keep your eyes on the big picture, leave the details to other. Experience leads to success, genuine concern for others. If I talk about our guardian angel cards, so which are saying healer of the abundance, never doubt that you can make a difference. Your creativity and ability to innovate make you destined to succeed. It might be time to expand your career, but don't forget to leave time for family. This situation involves a person. Another card which is jumping is Healer of Thought. It is time to clean up your life, get rid of anything that clutters your space or makes you disorganized. People who take from you but do not give back should be released, as well as you or another person involved in this situation is wise, insightful and caring and wonderful sense of humor, which offers lots of experience. So via all the four cards I can just make out, yes, there are lots of hindrances in this cards, there are problems in this card, but combining both the couple, combining both couple as one unit, you guys are able to solve this issue. Whether that girl will be able to settle in your family, this also depends upon the boy. So Gaurav, the girl, whoever is going to come into your family, it is going to be your duty. If you have chosen this card, it will be your duty to make her comfortable, make her very comfortable, make her very accommodating in the family. She has to work on the same grounds, that she has to make everybody in the family very happy. She has to basically, what happens when in a family a daughter-in-law enters, first we have to show daughter-in-law that how much we love her. We cannot expect her immediately that how much she is going to do for us. Initially we have to love her, we have to show our affection, we have to show our love to her. So this is what should happen in this case also, that parents of the groom should actually love that girl or adjust that girl or actually mentor that girl, like that she is their daughter only. The girl will be very happy in the family and this wedding will be again very successful. What message I am getting from an angel is schooling, studying, education helps your life purpose and personal growth at this time. The angels will guide you and help you with this process. So my answer is complete. If both girl and boy as well as the families, both the families actually take a courage and mentor both the children properly, this married life will be excellent. This married life will be fulfilled of everything whatever is required in the married life. So people, those who have chosen the third pile, Markba, it is something about clear quartz. It is something about where we can see so many triangles, where we can see so many, this is not something round. What is it about? It is something about complication, right? So the first card which is jumping is Eight of Gabriel. A great deal of activity, sudden and immediate result, important communication. Okay. Page of Raphael. Gentle, loving, dreamy, open-hearted. A new emotional situation. Messages regarding relationship or social invitation. Great intuitive insight. Okay. Nine of Action, where it is saying you have worked hard to create the things you cherish in your life, such as beloved relationships, amazing accomplishment. Rest assured that all these treasures and you are being constantly protected by your angels in the return, Mother Earth, the animals, and the environment. Two of Abundance, life may be feeling a little of too balanced right now. You could be working multiple jobs or trying to make change to your dream and career. It is important to keep things light and stay in touch with your inner child. Make your work as playful as possible. Multitasking with positive attitude brings success. Okay. So with this third pile, here I can see that the first card which is saying that sudden and immediate result, important communication, that Gabriel actually wants to convey you something very important which is really part of your relationship. So some kind of a communication which is actually required for this relationship is not getting fulfilled. Again, there is a relationship issue or an invitation, great intuitive sights. You have to look by yourself what you want in this relationship. You are just going by your partner. No, you have to look by what you are looking for this in this situation. Here in Nine of Action, again it is that you have worked really hard for this relationship. Now it is his or her chance to work for it. Although you deserve the best, but you have to even see whether that person deserves best or not. In this card, Two of Abundance, somewhere somehow you are having choice of two persons. So whether if you want to get married to this person or that person, that is extremely your call. What you can do is just make up your mind, just who is best for you, whom you consider best. Do not just involve into any kind of overwhelming emotions, or just involve in any kind of a carried away kind of a behavior where you'll just get married to your parents choice, or he loves you so much or she loves you so much. Into don't Do not fall into any kind of a emotional flow in this third deck. Angel Brigade is also is also saying caution is warranted. Look deeper into situation before proceeding further. So there is a caution in this deck or in this flow where it is saying that there is caution which is warranted. So we have to look deeper into the situation before further proceeding to it. So what I'll say is, if I have to again give the conclusion, number one, marriage will be very successful. Those who have chosen the green Aventurian, the people, those who have chosen red Jasper, marriage will be successful with the help of both the people, those who are involved in the marriage, as well as the families, those who are involved in the marriage. In this third Markaba, the people, those who have chosen this Markaba, this marriage is actually going to happen, but you yourself are so much skeptical about your choices which you have made for this marriage. So what you have to do, either clear all your grudges, your resentments, your complaints with each other, then go further, or either do not get married and you know that you have a choice of another person whom you can get married. So this will be all for this whether I'll be happy in this marriage or not. If any one of you want me to make another video on a specific topic, please feel free to ask and leave your suggestion and ideas in comment section. Thank you for watching me. Hope to see you all soon with another video from Celestial Energies. Thanks once again. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Stay safe. And please share and subscribe to my videos. If you like my video, give thumbs up. Thank you.